Hey, what's up everybody, John here, and today we're going to be working on my carbon fiber hood. Now I didn't show any video of me receiving it or anything like that, but I did get it, and it looks like we're running into some clearance issues underneath. So we're going to be cutting it up and making some clearance. Now to start off, you can see that it's not quite level here. It sounds like it's hitting something. So we have to clear out underneath to get it to fit. Alright, so the goal here is to get as close as possible to this lip while trying to keep some rigidity on this edge here. And we're going to do that all the way around. And then we're going to cut it. See, inside it is two pieces, so I don't really think I'll be running into any issues with that. And this center section should just pop right out. So there it is. There's part 2 over there. Take a look at this bottom piece first. Complete fiberglass. How thick that is. It's probably a 1/4 inch thick. I would say this piece alone probably weighs about 4 pounds. So right there, 4 pounds of nothing. That should be how heavy the hood, the entire hood itself weighs. Now over here, if we look how I cut it right along the edge there, if you look at it, you can see what they sealed it with something, because it's rock hard, probably some sort of epoxy, and epoxy the 2 hoods together. But that, I would say, is where probably 1/5 of the weight comes from. Is this epoxy? It's all over. It's just, and this piece as it sits right now, yeah, it loses some of its rigidity, but it's carbon fiber. It's not supposed to be heavy. That probably still weighs 5 or 6 pounds. It's light enough to lift with one hand now, at least. But what we're gonna end up doing, it's gonna be smoothing these edges out, and I might even grind it all the way down to where that's flat and get rid of that entire seam right there. Just to clean it up, and around these edges I'll take something smaller like a Dremel. But here you go. Here's your carbon fiber hood. There's maybe 1 or 2 coats of carbon fiber, and the rest is fiberglass, the entire hood. So that's what you're paying $500 for, everybody. That and that. Here's the finished product. So you can see the edges are nice and clean now. I did that all the way down. Nice and smooth. We left the mounting points on there, so there's not much holding that on. But it's firm enough. We got a couple of angles to hold it in there, so that should be safe. It does look like there's actually wood inside of there, but you can see the finish, if we can even. Yeah, look at that. Look at that drippage. And that's resin. That's what you're not supposed to see. But besides that, it weighs, I would say, probably 8 pounds now that we have removed everything. And we'll get it back on the car and see how it fits. Alright, so the hood's installed. Fits, I think, better. We don't have any more clearance issues. The only thing I did notice is that we have a little bit of a lip here because the hood is no longer being supported right there. There's no material holding it up. So what we can do as a quick fix is put some foam or anything under there to support the hood, and it'll be good to go. But to me, this is definitely successful. So there you have it. Cut a carbon fiber hood in half, quote unquote carbon fiber. Half of it was fiberglass and epoxy. So that's probably where half of our weight went. But now it's lighter. I feel like it looks better, and it gives me the impression that it's actually a carbon fiber hood now. So next time you want to buy something offline that says it's carbon fiber, ask and see how much of it is fiberglass, because I'm gonna guarantee more than half of them out there are gonna be fiberglass. And who wants to pay $500–600 for a fiberglass hood? I didn't, I don't, but we got to see what was on the inside. So, hope you guys enjoyed what you saw, and have a great day.